Alright, so, oh man, excuse me. So I have snow crab legs from yesterday, just a lot extra, I guess. So I'm gonna use some of it and we'll make some Gunkan sushi with it. Okay, guys? After scooping out a little bit of meat for myself, okay, so for a few servings, that's what I got. Just for a light little snack, I'm gonna make some Gunkan sushi, like I said. Still have a lot left. Not sure what I'm gonna really do with that, but yeah. So the easiest way, simple recipe for this. I cooked this. I boiled the crab in water with beer and a little bit of lemon. Okay, and then once it's cooked, fully cooked, then you take it out, peeled it, and that's what I got. I'm gonna add a little bit of mayonnaise and lemon juice, and then you guys can add a little bit of salt for taste to flavor this. Okay, so I'll add like around a tablespoon of mayonnaise, teaspoon of lemon. Get the seeds out. Whoopsies. Anyway, yeah. So mix that up. Okay, so basically, you know, simple recipe, but it tastes good. It's mayonnaise. Just use regular mayonnaise, and then, you know, lemon juice, and then a little bit of salt. All right, so now we'll take this seaweed and then we'll make a sushi, guys. No, the seaweed, and we're gonna cut the end off. I'm gonna cut around 1.5 inches off the end. Okay. And then we're gonna cut it into thirds. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna cut one end off. And then I'm gonna cut it into a third again. Okay. So the end is a little bit messy, so I'm gonna trim that just a little bit. And then we have our seaweed ready for Gunkan pieces, alright? So we'll take our sushi rice, we'll make a nigiri shape size, around 9 to 11 grams, a little rectangular shape. Okay, so something like that. And then I'll make a few of those. Alright, so we're going to take our seaweed now with the rough side facing towards us and the shiny side facing out. We're gonna wrap the seaweed. We're gonna leave about 1 inch because when we wrap it around at least. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna take our seaweed, wrap it around, leaving it around 1 inch mark when you wrap it, and it should automatically stick. Okay, so when I wrap it, I want the rice around here. Okay. And then we're gonna just wrap it all the way around. Okay. Now let's take our mixed crab and we're gonna fill the boats. Okay. Put a little bit in each. Wow. Serving wise, I think this is just perfect too. Okay, so I made about 7 pieces. And now I'm just gonna put it on a plate. Okay, so this is the close-up. So it really is a struggle recording this by myself pretty much, so I'm sorry for all the skips and all that, but I'll write down the steps as the video goes along. But okay, so I made a few pieces, Gunkan, and yeah, the seaweed is actually, it's getting a little soggy now, I guess, but yeah. And then I just topped it, garnished with scallion. Okay, so something very simple, easy, but it tastes good, promise that. Okay, so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, hope you guys tried. If you have some leftover ingredients, you guys can always make the seaweed wraps. It's always good, and just make a filling for it. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you.